Walking forward now. Yes, boy. Now finally inside, all set now, ready to race. Race number 9, final race for tonight, Friday. Tomorrow's races start 3 p.m. in the afternoon. And the race on Show My House. From the outside is Yes Boy. Top spin down on the inside, rushing up Gawang Pinoy Magnus Dominus to take the lead. Magnus Dominus, Show My House, Gawang Pinoy, Yes Boy. Top spin, racing impede by about 3 lengths, moving up by Daral 6, Got to Know. 7th position belongs to My Wife Doesn't Know. 8, Princess Wenda. In between runners, GIE Jane alongside Malambing Silent Power. On the outside is Spectacular Reeds. And rounding the far turn, Magnus Dominus. From the outside is Show My House. Gawang Pinoy is running by Daral, and Yes Boy is racing in port by about 2 lengths. Princess Wenda Got to Know as they race the final corner. Magnus Dominus, Gawang Pinoy on the outside is Show My House. Magnus Dominus, Gawang Pinoy on the outside moves up to take the lead. Gawang Pinoy, Magnus Dominus, and Show My House on the outside. Yes Boy, and finally JD Flores on Gawang Pinoy. Second close, Magnus Dominus with and